GIACT allows you to make a secure payment by entering your bank account and routing numbers. This video will show you how. Start out by clicking on the Pay This Request Now button in the payment request email. Next, verify your identity by entering your contact information. Create a password to create a DepositLink account. This will allow you to see your payment history, download receipts, and skip this step the next time you make a payment. Next, select Connect via GIACT to connect your bank account. Now select an account type. Enter your bank's routing number and your account number and click on Continue. Your bank account is successfully connected. Click on Close Window to make your payment. Confirm the information related to your payment is accurate and click on Send Payment. Now click on Send Payment to finalize your payment. Payment successful. You can download or forward a copy of your payment receipt on this page. Payment status alerts and receipts will also be emailed to you until the payment clears in 1 to 3 business days. Click on Log In on the top right to see your payment history and track your payment in real time. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Your payment history will be displayed on this page. Click on Transactions on the top left to track your payment. The status of your payment will update automatically on this page until it clears. Click on the 3 dots to download your payment receipt. Thank you for using DepositLink. Enjoyed the guided demo?